My favorite food and my regular part of my diet, including on my salads, are beets. Beets are so important. So part of Dr. Bob's ABCs, a half a red apple every day. Beet fiber, this is beet fiber, a medium carrot, and I like to throw in a radish. Radishes are also very important for digestion. So I cut all the beets up. There's a couple different ways that you can bake or cook the beets. I'm gonna do these today roasted. They're gonna be open. You could cover them with a lid. There's a little bit more water involved with them. I think what's so significant is to make sure you have a very sharp knife. Sharpen the knife because beet fiber is a little bit difficult to cut through sometimes. So I've done this a lot of different ways. I've done whole beets before. I've cut the beets up after that I baked them. I've cut them up before like I did today. I love all the colors. I like the red and the white and the orange. Preferably the red beets themselves seem to have the best texture, seem to be the best for you. So this is balsamic vinegar, and people always say, well, Dr. Bob, how much do you put on? And I usually just half-heartedly say, you just put the balsamic vinegar on top. It adds flavor, and it helps just the essence of the beets when you're all done. This is olive oil, and I just sprinkle some olive oil on it. And then we use Celtic sea salt. You can use it liberally because that's gonna help enhance the flavors. And then this is pure water. Water adds to the whole process so that beets themselves don't burn the bottom of the pan or the container. So what I'm gonna do now, I already have the oven preset for 400 degrees. We'll do it for about a half hour to 40 minutes. It just depends on the intensity of your oven itself. I happen to have an electric oven. We're gonna put them in the oven. And in a little while, we're going to check them. Then I'm gonna cool them and we're gonna taste them. So here they're gonna go into the oven. Remember, it's open. You're gonna wanna mix it periodically so they don't get overcooked. And that's how I prepare Dr. Bob's Beets.